Hi, welcome back to Missing Chemistry. This is 6 types of chemical reactions lesson. All right, let's look at the 6 types. Well, synthesis, single replacement, double replacement, decomposition, combustion, acid-base reactions. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look at each one individually. Synthesis reaction is an element plus an element yields a compound. In this case, we have H2 plus O2 yielding H2O. All right, so we have an element plus an element that makes a compound. But we have to balance this equation. You'll learn how to do that later. We'll just put a 2 there, and we'll put a 2 there, and all our elements are balanced. Okay, in a single replacement reaction, we have an element replacing an element in another compound. Like A is going to replace B to make AX plus B. All right, so we have calcium replacing sodium to make calcium hydroxide plus free sodium. All right, and we'll check all our elements there, and everything's balanced, so this is a good equation. Double replacement. We have a compound AX plus compound BY makes a new compound AY plus a new compound BX. So lithium is going to replace magnesium to create lithium oxide plus magnesium fluoride. And again, we need to check our balances here. We have a 2 in front of that F there, so we have to put a 2 here, and that takes care of the 2 for the lithium and the 2 for the fluorine, so everything looks balanced. Cool. Snarly, as they say. Decomposition. There's an old joke out there that old composers never die, they just decompose. I know, not very funny, but it's kind of cool for this thing. So we have a compound, AX, is going to break down into its original elements, A plus X. So we have magnesium oxide breaking down into magnesium plus oxygen. So we're going to have to put a 2 in front of the magnesium oxide to give us 2 oxygens on that side, and we need a 2 here. Again, we'll learn the balance equations in another lesson. Combustion reaction. The combustion reactions need a hydrocarbon plus oxygen. You have to have oxygen to have combustion. So that will yield carbon dioxide and water. So we take the hydrocarbon CH4 plus O2 yields CO2 plus H2O. All right, now let's make sure that everything looks balanced. Well, we need more hydrogen, so we're going to put a 2 here. And we're going to need more oxygen, so we'll put a 2 there. So everything is balanced. All right, the last type of reaction is the acid-base reaction. We take an acid plus a base that yields water and a salt. So we take hydrofluoric acid plus sodium hydroxide, and that will give me water plus sodium fluoride, which is the salt. Let's double check to make sure everything's balanced. We have 2 H's on the left, 2 H's on the right, 1 Na on the left, 1 Na on the right, 1 fluorine on the right, 1 fluorine on the left. Everything looks snarly, guys. We'll see you back here at Missing Chemistry.